we're going to work on a little project together, a little DIY, and you're going to love this because this is going to connect your children with nature, help quality time between you and your children, and also promote reading time.
Did you know that when a parent spends 20 minutes of uninterrupted quality time with their child each day outside of a routine like bedtime, the child's stress level drops, emotional regulation improves, and the connection deepens. Now, this comes from multiple child development studies showing that brief daily attuned time strengthens the parent and child bond and reduces behavioral challenges. Now, when those 20 minutes include reading, the impact grows even more. Studies from the American Academy of Pediatrics and literacy researchers show that just 20 minutes of reading a day adds up to over 1 million words a year entering your child's brain. Children who are read to regularly develop stronger vocabulary, better focus, and more confidence. And those shared stories become more like core memories. Now, every year when a real balsam for Christmas tree settles into its stand, a few branches naturally fall away. And instead of letting them go to waste, this year I thought about doing something extra special, and that's helping my kiddos cultivate joy through plant care and connect with nature indoors. So today I'm creating a winter-inspired reading nook. It's simple, cozy, and designed for one purpose: to slow down with my children. Now, these fallen branches still smell like fresh winter air found in a new home inside this planter, transforming one small corner into our little indoor forest. I wrapped a few soft twinkle lights between the branches, tiny stars that remind us to pause, breathe, and be present. And of course, reading buddies. A few Christmas stuffies ready to listen, ready to cuddle, and ready to make reading feel like play. Then came the books. Stories full of kindness, snowflakes, gingerbread house, and quiet winter adventures. And finally, the fluffiest blanket we own. The kind that makes you want to stay here just a little longer. So, this winter, maybe gather a few branches, a basket of books, some soft light, and create a reading nook of your own. Now, not perfect, not fancy, just a corner dedicated to connection, a place where story grows, where your child slows down enough to feel seen, and where 20 minutes, or I should say 20 quiet minutes a day, can make a lifetime of difference.
This is such a great way to have your children connect with nature indoors this winter, and I should say this holiday season.